Hello, and thank you for joining Ramped Up. Today, we're going to discuss account-based marketing, which of course is, the act of choosing the companies that fit your ideal customer or your ideal customer profile. So we can go through that process a little later, but if you've already created the ideal customer profile, then you're going to need to do the next thing. You're going to find the people who work at these companies that can buy your solution, and that's where Ramped Up can help. So first you log into the platform, and then we go into our company criteria and we say, well, what can we use to find the individuals that work at that particular company? Well, if you've already created a list and you've already created the information and put it inside of a CSV or an Excel file, you can import that data directly into our system, right? Here's just a website sample. We just have the websites, but you can also use company names as well. You upload those into the platform. Say, are these the websites that you'd like to import into the system? And voila, there you go for the company websites. The next thing that you'll need is the individuals that work at those companies so that you can reach out to them and solicit them for your solution. So there's many different ways that you can get this data, but you can look at job level, right? Vice president, director, CXO, right? And then you can look at job function in terms of what department, right? We'll just take a look here, say finance. We go down and we search for this information, and then the system again will take the inputs to create a custom list. And from here, what we can do is say, well, this is the information that we see that fits our criteria. We can export that data, 7,500 records, validate the email addresses upon request, and now you have a custom list of the individuals that are responsible for making decisions at the companies that are at your ideal customer profile. Thanks so much.